So we're going to be doing acrylic pouring here at the Arthouse Oasis. Lots of people are saying, what's an acrylic pour? What are we doing? Is it a skill? So I thought I would put out a quick video about the different methods of acrylic pouring. So this video is all about the most basic pour, which is the traditional pour. You fill up all your colours separately, separate cups, give them a mix according to the recipe that you're using. You get your canvas or your tile and you pour the paints individually, abstract styling, onto your surface, and then you tilt and you see what happens. Enjoy!